Welcome to Visa Viewpoint. I'm sure you've heard the news. Today, I want to dive into a pressing issue that could impact your career prospects in the UK. The UK is facing a significant shortage of skilled workers across key sectors like technology, banking, and manufacturing. So, what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. According to a recent report by recruitment firm Hays, the UK is among the top 5 nations struggling to fill in-demand roles. This shortage poses a threat to the country's competitiveness in the global market. The lack of skilled workers is particularly concerning, given the rapid digital transformation happening in sectors like technology, engineering, life sciences, and financial services. These industries need a skilled workforce to thrive and drive innovation. But what's causing this shortage? Factors like Brexit and changes in immigration policies play a significant role. The increased salary threshold for skilled worker visas has made it challenging for businesses to attract top talent from overseas. Additionally, economic and political uncertainty has made many companies hesitant to hire, further complicating the problem. So, what's being done to address this issue? The UK government is focusing on several strategies. They're investing in training and education programs to upskill the domestic workforce, particularly encouraging young people to pursue careers in STEM fields. There's also a push to streamline immigration processes to attract skilled workers from abroad. However, these solutions come with their own set of challenges. Training programs take time to produce qualified workers, and immigration reforms are often a contentious issue. Balancing the need for skilled workers with public sentiment on immigration remains a complex challenge. For job seekers, this shortage can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, there are plenty of opportunities in high-demand sectors. On the other hand, the competition for these roles can be fierce, and the path to acquiring the necessary skills can be long and demanding. In conclusion, the UK's skilled worker shortage is a multifaceted issue that will take time and effort to resolve. Whether you're looking to enter the job market or advance your career, staying informed and continuously upskilling will be crucial. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Stay informed and good luck out there.